Want to dive into the world of Instagram but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, download the app and create your account. Pick a username that's easy to remember, maybe your name or your brand. Next, upload a great profile picture and write a short, catchy bio that tells people who you are. Now for the fun part. Posting, you can share photos or short videos. Just tap the plus icon at the bottom. Write a fun caption, add some relevant hashtags to help people find you, and tag your location or friends if you want. Don't forget about stories. These are photos and videos that disappear after 24 hours, perfect for sharing your day-to-day moments. You can also explore what others are posting by scrolling your feed or checking out the Explore page. Start following accounts you like and engage with their content by liking and commenting. It's that simple. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tips.